Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas to all of you. I really hope you love plants because our video today is done at our home garden. And if you love this setup, kindly let us know and we will do more videos like this. Today, we make a beaded jewelry box that can be the perfect gift to your loved ones. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. A special thanks to all of you who have subscribed and helped us get to 1,000 subscribers. That really means a lot to us, and your feedback is so much appreciated. Also, thanks to all of you who started sending us Christmas gifts. We are really thankful. So let's dive into today's lesson. The materials required are 0.80 millimeters fishing line, white diamond beads, red diamond beads, and nail cutters or a scissors. On to step 1. Once you have your materials, you unwind your fishing line carefully like this. You pull the fishing line to the desired length and then cut it with your nail cutter. Our fishing line is about 25 to 30 inches long, but you can cut a shorter length if you are a beginner, and also to avoid messing up your work and making it easier in the long run. On to step 2, which is you balance your fishing line. And you pick 3 red beads and a 4th one that you crisscross on like this. We then pull the fishing line and make sure it's balanced. you should have something that looks like this. We then pick a red bead on the right and left, and final third one, which we crisscross on. Your progress should look like this. If you like this video, please don't forget to tap the like button and also check our previous videos for more tutorials. We continue by repeating the same pattern. You pick a bead on the right, a bead on the left, and you crisscross, and you shall have something that looks like this. Our Christmas jewelry box is slowly forming, just like houses. They're built brick by brick, and for our gift, we are building it bead by bead. Now here, we make a corner by putting 2 beads on the right and 1 on the left, and you crisscross. Your artwork should look like this, and that's how you bead a corner. Pick 2 red beads on the right and a final third, which you crisscross on like this. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead. You pick 2 red beads on the right and you crisscross on the final one. You keep repeating the same process for this second column, which is on the second step, and this same pattern we use to stitch our smaller bracelets. And if you haven't seen how we make our bracelets, kindly check them out. Our videos are on our playlists, you can check them and learn more. It's also very important for you to note that as you continue, you should never forget to always fasten the fishing line so that your work comes out more compact and steady. As you finish the second column, you put 2 beads on the right and crisscross on the last. As you see, your artwork should look like this. On to step 4. You start by picking 2 beads on the right and a final third, and then you crisscross. You pass the fishing line through the next bead just like we did on the second column, and you repeat the same pattern all the way to the end of the third column of beads. Once you get the pattern, it becomes quite easy to continue with the build, and I believe by now you can comfortably do this column. When you get to this corner of the third column, we repeat what we did on the second one. In step 5, which is making the fourth column, we repeat the same thing we did on column 3 on this step. Always make sure your build resembles what you see on the screen at the end of each step. This build will have a base of 5 by 5 heads of the red beads. A golden tip: you can always add more beads to your plate if some colors become few. I personally prefer it this way, so your beads aren't mixed up into multiple colors, giving you a crazy time when you're making a product with a plate full of different colors. Just pour a few beads into the working plate and avoid having a hard time. On to step 6, which is building the final column, base of the beaded jewelry box. We repeat the same thing we did on the previous columns. Remember guys, such artwork can be made and sold, giving you some extra source of income. You can decide to practice this as a hobby, or you can monetize it and earn a living from it, just like a lot of artists that I know who do the same type of beadwork. So you should take this seriously, and also let us know in the comments section below if you are able to monetize your artwork. And here you have it guys, the base is complete. This can be used as a table mat or a coaster for your dining set or hotels or your private space, and you can even make it in different colors to decorate your set. We shall continue making the jewelry box on the next episode in our next video. If you've got any questions about today's tutorial, kindly drop them in the comments and I will get back to you. And a big thanks to all of you for watching this far. And if this video was useful to you and you're interested in seeing more beading tutorials, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on my other social media channels, including Instagram and Twitter, and we'll see you on the next video.